Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the drain plug on your pickup tank when it gets stuck or stops working properly. The first thing we'll do is unscrew the cap. Right underneath, you'll find a small valve. We'll also unscrew that. In my case, it didn't work at all. When I pressed it, it stayed completely blocked. It was half closed and just jammed. So, let's take a closer look. You need to measure the valve to make sure you order the right size. Luckily, I have another one on the other side of the tank, and that one works fine. It's completely open and functional. Since I'm already here, I'll replace it too. This one measures 56 mm, so we'll look for a 56 mm valve, metric 16. You can find them easily on Amazon or any hardware store, but make sure to measure yours first. At first, I ordered the wrong one because I didn't measure it. I thought it was universal, but it's not. These valves come in different sizes. So that's my first tip: measure carefully before buying. If it's stuck in the closed position, try pressing gently. If you see a bit of water coming in, that's fine, it just means the valve is slightly open. If possible, try to unlock it from the top so you can get the correct measurement. When you look at the product online, it usually says how long it is when closed and when open. That helps you choose the right size. In my case, the one I ordered was slightly too big, so I'll buy another one. It's a double expense, but that's how you learn. Once you remove the old valve, you might notice it's a bit wet. I recommend drying the area as much as possible, especially in the center where the new valve will sit. That helps prevent rust from forming on the spring or the metal parts. Even though water will reach it again later, starting with a dry area helps a lot. After that, just screw in the new valve. Hand tight is enough, no need to use a wrench. Then, put the plug back on top. I've already cleaned mine, so it looks brand new. That's it. As you can see, it sits a little high and lets a bit of water escape, so I'll buy another one with the perfect fit. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.